Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jen. Happy Veterans Day. And that is the mani we are going to be doing today. So for the base color, I just started with a simple white. So I'm using Color Vibe in whiteout. I will be using Maniology plate M054. And this will just be a simple, quick, easy look. No reverse stamping today. I know, right? Shocker. So I think I'm just going to start with this image, and I'm going to use Maniology's Fireside B189 and Maniology's Surfrider B379. I don't really have the perfect flag blue, so I'm just kind of had to pick one. So we'll just go between the two of them. Let's start with the red. So if you are a veteran or have any veterans in your family, thank you for your service or their service. Try to make sure I don't have any on that brush. I think I'm going to scrape it this direction and see if it picked up enough or not. Oh yeah, I can use that. So I just chose to go with the red, white, and blue colors. Oh, I like that. Alright, jump into this one. I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm doing that to get all the way across the image. But I don't like this one. It doesn't have enough blue, so let me redo that one. Okay, let's try this one. I feel like that blue's a bit more jelly-like. The red is not. It's definitely cream. Alright, so this one I'm going to do the upper portion in blue, lower portion in red, and I'm hoping, I really don't want them to blend, but I feel like if I scrape to the side, it's not going to do well with these solid images, or solid portions right here. Well, I just accidentally touched them together. Let's see how it looks at least. I don't know, maybe I should do sideways. Let's do sideways. Let's just try it. Oh, that's not bad. I can do that. Okay. I'm not going to try to stretch this one because that's going to make it not look good. Just trying to be careful so I don't peel up those lines. So although it doesn't go across the whole nail, I'm okay with it. Just because I do still want some of that white in there, and again, I didn't want to make it look funny or distorted so much by trying to stretch it. And also it does kind of have a, I don't know the word, the lines, it's not crisp. So like on this one, see how it's got kind of like a textured look to it? This one's the same. Alright, we're going to do this one. I'm going to do it to the side just because I don't want to get those colors blended on this one either. Then we're going to this one. This time I'm going to start with the blue. Actually, it's on the pinky now. It may not even need all that. but that's okay. And then the last thing I want to do is go to Maniology Straight Up Black B171, and that is because I want this image to stand out. And we are going to this. It's our officer. I want to put it over this one. Alrighty. So thank you again to service members and families. Much love to you. God bless. And thank you all for joining me and watching. I do greatly appreciate it. And until the next one, have a blessed day, friends. Bye.